Hello, my name is Kyla Blank. I'm going to be singing Take a Bow by Rihanna karaoke. This is my second video. I made a Christmas summer video, but I didn't really like it, so now I'm making singing videos. I was at my friend's house today, and we had a singing contest. She was like, you can sing. She was like, you need to be on YouTube. So when I was watching YouTube on my tablet, I was like, yeah, we can. And so this time I'm going to be singing a song, and I hope you guys like this song. Y'all might hear it's a mess, because I've been singing it for like, yeah. Okay, ready? Oh, you look so dumb right now. Standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You so ugly when you happy. Get out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. And when you order sorry, you got caught alone. But you put around the show. Well, you had me going. Now it's time to show. Didn't tell me going. Now it's time to show. Very insulated. And it's over now. Gonna take it down. Ooh, grab yourself and get on. For the season, come on. Talking about girl, I love you're the one. Asking us just a little, please. One out and on. And don't you mean you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when you are sorry, you look high. But you put around the shoe, and you will have it going. Now it's time to show, when you have me going. Now it's time to show, really waiting, but it's over now. Gonna say I now. Ooh. Are you alright for the best night goes to you? Oh, easy to be to me. Make you see it. Oh, my God, and the sky. Yeah, it'll be good. Nothing but sorry, 'cause you're not. And all it's good is sorry you got caught. That was time to show. And you have me going. It's time to show. Gonna think about. But it's over now. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys like the video and comment on it. See you guys later.